now I will show you my Angular version which is then in my machine by just running ng-version command. So you can see my version 8.3.20. Okay, you guys, now I'll create a Angular 8 project. ng new project name. Now I'll run the project. Now you can see the size here. Now what I'll do is I'll actually migrate this app to Angular 9 app. So the command which I'll run is ng update the rate Angular slash CLI rate Angular slash hyphen next. You can see the packages are updating here. Okay, so it has updated a lot of packages and still installing the packages. Now you can see what the message it is giving is your project has been updated to Angular version 9. Now let's run the command ng-serve. Now you can see the size. So it's a drastic change. You can see here like half of the size of Angular 8. Right? So now let me tell you, there is a strict mode change, okay, which I was talking about. Let me just show you. So you can see here template type checking, right? So what it says here, we have basic mode, full mode, and strict mode.